Sngi.
Apa Swkhd? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong, balak khai miah por sok plum. Tadi sekarang miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Man la usnam ka khat artri ujmang la Rakhe ya ka Sngi Kyrpang joki nurse ya ka bala tip kum ka International Nurses Day. Kani ka dei ru ka Sngi kha jong ka Florence Nightingale. Kabala no senyang shikat dei e na ka bentaban ajing sumaria ki ba. Kapang jong jing Rakhe mentau snam ka dei our nurses, our future, empowered nurses, save lives. Lani ki nurse ki jongi, ki de ki lawe ki jongi, pen klain bat pen kubor yaki. Ban la ban ajing ada yaki mensim ki ba koridor. Kani kapang pedeng ka dekat kum ka jing penben jong ka International Council of Nurses la sedang ya kani ka jing Rakhe na ru usnam shia ja khandai spa 100%. Ya kini ke jing Rakhe la pelong ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela bat ka wei ni ki jing Rakhe ka bangi la sakhi ka deha South West Khasi district ha ka ba ki nurse ki la Rakhe ya kini ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki harani ko CHC ha ka ba u DMHO ka South West Khasi district u Dr FR Lartang ulalong kumukong san ha ka ni ka Sngi ki nurse ki la lek men da ka jingarwai ka jinga shat bat ki jinga lek kai ba per bat kila pelong ru ya ka jing thang bombati bat kila od ru yo ki kum ka jing ma burom ya ka Florence Nightingale.
And learn from duty's path we shall not swerve in dangerous time. Our skillful care, devotion true will banish sickness, health renew. Our nation we shall thus imbue. With hope and courage,
become healthier and more lives are safe. In recent years, as we have come across through COVID, as we know, the world witnessed the courage and dedication of all the nurses during difficult times and health emergencies. While many people stayed safely at home, nurses continue working on the front line to care for patients. They showed incredible strength, courage, and selfless service. Many of us stayed away from our families while caring for others. Even during stressful situations, we continue to serve patients with kindness and dedication. At the same time, we need someone to understand the challenges nurses face every day. Today is a day to thank and appreciate all nurses for the dedication, compassion, and service to humanity. We celebrate this day on the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Her life and work continue to inspire nurses across the world. She taught us that nursing is not just a profession, but a service filled with care, kindness, and sacrifice. This year theme, Our Nurses, Our Future, Empowered Nurses Save Life, carries a very meaningful message. Nurses are the backbone of every healthcare system. They work day and night to care for patients, support families, assist doctors, and save lives. The future of healthcare depends greatly on the strength and dedication of nurses. Whenever people are sick, worried, or in pain, nurses are always there to help and comfort them. From hospitals and clinics to emergency wards and community health centers, the primary health centers, and even the sub-centers. with patience, courage, and compassion. A nurse work is not only about giving medicine or checking patients. Nurses also provide emotional support, hope, and encouragement. A few kind words from a nurse can bring comfort to a patient during difficult times. Their caring presence often gives patient strength and confidence to recover. Nursing is one of the most respected and noble profession in the world. It requires knowledge, discipline, patience, and a compassionate heart. Nurses often work long hours under stressful conditions, yet they continue to serve with commitment and dedication. The word empowered in today's theme is especially important. Empowered nurses are nurses who are respected, supported, and given opportunities to grow. They need proper education, training, safe working conditions, and emotional support so they can perform their duties confidently and effectively.
Our future empowered nurses save lives. This is the theme. So I think I have to talk a bit fast, I think. So this is for empowerment. This empowerment is not only I can do the like people are doing on the mobile. I can do the same thing. Beyond it should be beyond the empowerment should be beyond recognition and focus on nurses as safe environment, community compensation and leadership opportunities. So it should be beyond, but it should be there, especially recognition and focus on providing safe environment. I think in every hospital now, you should ensure safety. I think every month you have to sit in that for the safety of the staff. So should continue, I think. So the safety should not be once you decide what is safety. It should not be personal, so only physical, legal, and whatever. Maybe you try to decide what should be to broaden the points so that it will be helpful for you whenever you sit for this meeting. And then here, because nurses, I think, is becoming same thing as a health profession. It's becoming something like a what you call market. So here this thing is extreme pressure on global healthcare system, such as shortage of staffing, shortages, and high burnout rate. What is there? What is okay? So it should not be burnout rate. It's less now, I think. So I'm very happy that you remember. I think you know all about our friends Nightingale, what she have done, and how she started, what she did, and I'm very happy that you still treasure her memory. But in the meantime, a celebration Nurses Day should be for all the nurses community and personally for every nurses. We should celebrate for their achievement. There are challenges, we are humans, so we have challenges. We have to solve them. We should be happy. It is our duty to solve the challenges, either with the patient or with whatever may come our ways. But should be careful. And the thing is, education is there for everyone, but there are times the quality of education matters. So whatever may be, now we are nurses, now everyone is doing CME. So the quality of education should not be only in content. What who will increase the quantity or quality of education is who guide you and what is the environment. Today somehow I was going my what you call here that one Instagram. You see as one for university is a discipline is that who is guiding you. Everyone is being very high, most of the people who reach there are very worthy people most of the time. but they are not only for money. We come there, just not degree, but the quality they get there from the guides. So now we're getting semi every time. I think you take them seriously, and at the same time forget about all the things. You know what to do. I told you enough. The thing is, everyone should be happy. Happiness is everywhere. Depends you how you take it, how you make it. There's no life without problem. We should be able to solve all the problems. Yeah, problem. But life, you know now. You remember always. We are human. We always have problems. We have to grow. We have problem. How we will grow? You don't make a thing that those about me, I'll make a stepping stone. It's not a good thing also. So it's there always, but you cannot do that most of the time. So it's not good also. But you take the challenges and solve them and grow. Teach others and try to be whatever may be. Not set the 100% love and happiness that others get, but you get a 100% love and happiness that you can get. So I wish this celebration a success. Thank you very much for calling me, and don't forget once upon a time, for the first time we came to Raniko on the year 2026. So many doctors, so many nurses. I think you should take photograph with everyone, so remove any orange and show your children, and maybe in hospital this is your good memories, because not every time you might be coming to Raniko, especially those who move frequently. So this opportunity to remember is nibbling. Not many, what do you call it? Not many functions over here. There was one before. That time Sasampat came. This second time most probably. So you are fortunate to be in this beautiful, you can say, not that bad. Nice living, new living. So you should be happy. Wish you a safe journey when you reach home, and not to be happy always, not only today. Wish you a safe journey and a safe life. Thank you very much.
Happy Nurses Day!
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride